Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20794. Super clean 2003 Raymond. It's a single reach narrow aisle forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast with 276-inch lift height and 122-inch lowered height. Shane's gonna run it up for us real quick. Very tall mast. Unit is equipped with the side shift carriage, 42-inch forks. Has a 33-inch inside diameter outrigger width. 36-volt battery. A 3-phase battery charger as well. New PM service and a new paint job ready for work. Again, this is Kyle and Shane with Western Material Handling. You can check out this unit or any other units at our website at abetterforklift.com. Thank you much.